Good day, everybody. My name is Ms. Mabwe. Welcome to Grade 12 Business Studies lesson for today. Our topic is on problem solving and creative thinking. Did you know that creativity is seeing what everyone else has seen and thinking what no one else has thought? So, meaning you are special, you're thinking things that have never been thought of before. Who is this? This is your Albert Einstein. Right, so we're going to start with our learning or lessons objectives for this topic or for this lesson. It says here, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the following problem solving techniques from given scenarios or statements. We'll be focusing on brainstorming and nominal group technique for this lesson. Not only should you be able to identify them, but you should be able to explain or advise businesses on how they can apply the application. It's very important. The above mentioned being what? Being brainstorming and nominal group technique. Right. You should also be able to do what? To discuss and analyze the impact. Remember, the impact is what? It's the positives or the negatives of the above mentioned problem solving techniques. The above being brainstorming and the other one, which is what? The nominal group technique. Right. Define, you should also be able to define or elaborate on the meaning of creativity. Remember, the topic is problem solving and creative thinking. Right. You should be able to explain the benefits or advantages of creative thinking where in the workplace. Very important. The benefits or advantages of creative thinking in the workplace. Explain or recommend ways businesses can create an environment that promotes creative thinking. All right, so we're going to start with our concept map, the journey that we're going to take in this lesson. So we will start with our problem solving techniques, the applications, that's the first thing, and then we're going to get into the impacts of these problem solving techniques. Then we will define creative thinking. We'll speak about the benefits of creative thinking, and then we'll get on to creating an environment that promotes creative thinking. Don't forget the topic. Right. So what is it that you should know? You should know the following definition. Creative thinking. What is creative thinking? The ability to look at the same scenario or the challenge, but come up with original, new, innovative ideas or the solutions. That's what you'll be doing as a creative thinker. Right, let's test if you still remember what I just said now. What is the meaning of creative thinking? Right, it is the ability to think of original, varied new ideas or new approaches. Please take note, these are new things that you're coming up with, meaning these are things that have never been thought of before. Right, so the new words and the languages, so these are the terms and the definitions that we'll be doing throughout this lesson. Creative, to be original, inventive, or resourceful. To generate is to produce or to create. Creativity means the ideas featuring new and original methods. Whereas with creative thinking, it is the ability to think of original, varied new ideas or new approaches. Then we've got problem. A problem is experiencing uncertainty or difficulty in achieving what we want to achieve. Whereas with the techniques, it's what? The various problem solving techniques which businesses used to solve business-related problems. So these are the terms and concepts that we'll be working with or we'll be finding in our lesson for today. So now we're going to take a quick break, and then when we come back, we start with our journey on problem solving and creative thinking. See you just now.